Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a while. We just got back from Yellowstone. It was about a 2.5-week trip. During our trip, something tragic happened. Here's the interior of our 28-foot Keystone Hideout BHS. We have the stove, microwave, refrigerator, and then next to it, we have a pantry and a wardrobe. In the wardrobe, my wife installed a portable wardrobe organizer. So as you can see up here, it ripped, and the next project for the next few days, I'm going to build some shelves. Before I show you how I build these shelves, let me show you another project that I completed a few weeks ago that added a ton of light. Right here, I added a switch that turns on some LED lights. Here is the wardrobe without lights. Here's the wardrobe with the lights. There's quite a difference. First thing I did was take the measurements of the inside of this wardrobe, and I'll show you those measurements here. 19 inches wide, 20 inches deep, 49.5 inches tall. I'm going to install a vertical piece of wood here that will support 5 shelves that'll go up right here. The shelves will be 15 inches deep by 15 inches wide, thereby leaving about 4 inches to hang dresses, pants, anything like that. I've started the process by taking this piece of trim, which is 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch, and nailed it down to the bottom of the cabinet, all the way across. This is 20.5 inches, and another piece 15 inches long. This is what my vertical piece will butt up against. Here is the wall of the shelf. I've measured these 8 inches high. So every 8 inches, there'll be a shelf. I've cut these pieces so that they can fit right along these pieces of wood here and support my shelves. See, back here I have my LED lights. I'm attaching these boards with a little bit of wood glue right there on the tip so that it will adhere to the wood back here. So I have it all complete. Take a look. Now I have 6 shelves for the kids. The lights right here. Just 1/2 inch plywood. These are 3/4 by 1/2 inch trim pieces. This is just a 3/8 inch particle board. Thanks for watching.